Next is the Testimonials section. Again, you can do the same by adding your customers' testimonials, or you can just remove them. To add their testimonials, you can just go ahead and add their names here, their good things that they want to say about you here, and even their photos. But for now, I'm just going to hide this section. And I'll click Publish, return to the page here, and click Refresh. You don't see the testimonial section anymore. How about this right button ribbon text? How to remove this section? Let's just return to the customizer. Under ribbon section, right button ribbon, click on it and remove this text. Click Publish, return to the site, refresh, and voila! The red section has disappeared. So for this latest news section, this is where you add your latest posts. So we don't have any posts right now, but we do have a few posts here. So what we need to do is to add those posts, and those posts will appear around here. So let's just change this latest news text to articles you may like. Let's just highlight this text, copy it, return to Customizer, and under the latest news section, change the title to articles you may like. Click Publish, refresh. There you have it.